Georgia Supreme Court has made big news this evening. The High Court overturned Ross Harris's murder conviction in the 2014 hot car death of his young son. Good evening. Thanks so much for joining us tonight. I'm Tom Haynes.
I'm Courtney Bryant. A jury in Glenn County convicted Harris of killing his toddler son in 2016. The child died after being left in a hot car outside his father's Cobb County office for several hours. Fox 5's Deidre Dukes is following the new developments tonight. She joins us live from the Georgia Supreme Court in downtown Atlanta with reaction. Deidre?
Now, the High Court determined that the jury who heard the case should never have heard a certain testimony that was presented during the trial. And while Harris's murder conviction was overturned, he is not getting out of prison. The High Court's decision overturning Ross Harris's 2016 murder conviction marks a major victory for Ross Harris's defense team. Attorney Maddox Kilgore represented Harris during the initial trial. He praised the court decision.
We're not surprised. We are not surprised at all. We fully expected the court to grant Ross Harris a new trial based on all of the errors and abuse of discretion that occurred during the trial.
Harris was sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole in the death of his 22-month-old son, Cooper. Cooper died after his father left him sitting in the back seat of a hot car outside his office for about 7 hours in Cobb County in June of 2014. The High Court found that Harris did not receive a fair trial because testimony about his extramarital affairs was allowed. While the defense insisted Cooper's death was a tragic accident, prosecutors maintained Harris, who was married, killed his son because he wanted to live a child-free life so he could pursue sexual relationships with other women. In a 134-page opinion, Chief Justice David Namias wrote, "This evidence did little, if anything, to answer the key question of Harris's intent when he walked away from Cooper, but it was likely to lead the jurors to conclude that Harris was the kind of man who would engage in other morally repulsive conduct, like leaving his child to die painfully in a hot car, and who deserved punishment, even if the jurors were not convinced beyond a reasonable doubt that he purposefully killed Cooper."
Rather than just get into the evidence of what was on Ross Harris's mind when he left that car, which would go to intent, the state went too far in the Supreme Court's opinion into show what kind of man is Ross Harris. And that's where they felt that the prosecution crossed the line.
In doing so, trial attorney Bruce Hagan says the court found Cobb County prosecutors assassinated Harris's character.
And that, in the Supreme Court's mind, that poisoned the jury's mind so that they could not give a fair ruling on his guilt or innocence on the underlying murder charges.
The Cobb County DA's office issued a written statement saying they plan to file for a motion for reconsideration in this case. As for why Harris is not going to get out of prison anytime soon, it's because he also was convicted of other crimes, and so he's serving time in those charges as well. That's latest here in downtown Atlanta. I'm Deidre Dukes, Fox 5 News.